on YouTube here and share this. Copy link. Let's go. Market's about to open. Let's see what we get. It's kind of like you're opening a prize. Oh, it's in and also. I think the location. So it has to meet that 500 first. All right, let me post this here. Hi, good morning, good morning. Let's get Friday started. I'm so excited. I'm kind of bummed that I'm essentially going to be in the house all day. It's not something I enjoy. I really like the freedom to just get out there and do stuff, especially if, you know, if I don't really have anything pressing that I need to do in the house. But today hey James, today will actually get me to complete some tasks that I need to complete that I haven't done. Also, I need to turn the volume on this because I don't have it on. Also, NQ early has now moved to all days instead of just some of the days that we had in the sheet. So make sure you check out the sheet every weekend to see if there's any updates. I really haven't been doing a lot of updates lately as far as like changing things, which is good because things have been working really well overnight. NQ Knight had a trade and a win. ES Knight had a trade and a win. I'm going to turn this down. I'm running something in testing that I'll show you guys in a little bit that just got stopped. But the student play is playing for sure. I'm signed back up and also live. Good morning. Yes, let's go. Laid back. I love it. I love it. Yeah, we've been 100% this week. Had another great week. So even if you're just running the standard algorithms, you're up almost $1,000 on the week. The premium algorithms are green, $4,000 on the week. Last week, premium made over $12,000. The week before that, we actually had our first red week on premium, and it was... and obviously, that's if you run all the setups. Like, yesterday was only green 360 because... Or no, yesterday was only, 367 because of one of the strategies was red 2000. But if you didn't run NQ day waves yesterday, you were green like $2,400 on the day. So, let's go. Let's get this going.
Order filled.
I need to
Order submitted.
I need to take this off here.
Target.
440 on that student play. All right, who grabbed that? Who grabbed that student play? $440. Let's go. I got in at 71. I don't know where I got out at. I could have gotten in a lot sooner. Whew, look at this move. Look at this move. We're up at 86 now. Who got that? I need to hear some confirmation. $68, then right to 86. Is that the high it went to? 88. 88. So 20 points there in those few seconds. If you didn't get it, give yourself some time to reset and be ready for the next one. Thanks, Jen. Perfect. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday. 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. Oh, now we're at 90. Student chat got it. Jared got it. It went right to 68. It went to 66, actually. I put 68 in the breakdown. It went to 66, y'all. Maybe my level was 62. Shit, I think it was. But I think I mentally thought it was 68. So I got in when it went to 71. Yeah.
Order filled.
That's fine. Oh, this one I'm testing. Yeah, I mentally thought it was 68. I think because the other side is. think because the other side is. Trading's fun. Exactly, Andon. Not too much stress. Trying to stay conservative so I didn't get us ready. Yep. So, yep, that is fine. I mentally, for some reason, I switched it in my head. ES isn't a short. Let's go. Where are we at? Let's go, ES. Oh, I gotta get my buttons out. So overnight, ES is 1 for 1 and Q is 1 for 1, which means it took one trade and it was profitable on that one trade. So 1 for 1 on ES overnight, 1 for 1 on NQ overnight. There were no NQ evening trades last night. If you see this bold range, this is the standard algorithm. Let's see if we can go a little further south for ES. See if NQ can get to 62 or 50. Would love that opportunity. Let's go, ES. Let's go, let's go. All right, ES, come on. ES is kind of trying to pull NQ down because ES is still moving lower, but NQ is back up in the 90s. Here we go, ES, back at entry. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Target filled. Target filled on ES. Let's go. We need some apples in the chat. Apples, apples. It's Friday. Make sure you're eating your apples. You guys know you can put a Jiffy. You guys, you know you can put a Jiffy in the chat. So if you backslash, you can do backslash instead of your little apple emojis. You can backslash and go GIF, and then use the whatever that thing is, and then put in whatever, and then you get all these options that you can shuffle through. So yeah, you can do that too, which is fun. The egg ones are always kind of funny. Let's go. All right, 3 for 3 so far on the day on the standard algorithms. Also, overnight on the premium algorithms, we are 5 for 5. Gold LIS was 3 for 3. Oil LIS was 1 for 1. ES Night Zones was 1 for 1. Oil Waves was 1 for 1. And London NQ London Waves was 1 for 1. So 5 for 5 overnight on premium, 3 for 3 so far today on the standard algorithms. Let's go. We're having a great Friday, okay? We're putting it out there, all of the positivity. What's up, Jody? Remember, there are 2 spots left for Vegas. I'd just like to bring it up because I know some people... Oh, we're in a long on visual. Who is in visual? This is the first trade on visual today. Green, $180. Let's go. Visual made another $2,000 yesterday. And remember, the stop loss on visual is only $200. So if you get stopped, it's not a big deal. I wonder if that's... look at that. Pull back right to the entry of visual. Do you see that? 83. And back up. Yep. Stay patient. Stay patient. Because when it comes, it will really come in. If it doesn't, then it just doesn't, and it is what it is. But I think it will, so... Look at this. Down bad trader. So this is Glenn. I was messaging him earlier. These are all PA accounts. He has been working so hard at this. This is just his overnight wins, and these are all PA accounts. All of them. Even $100 on a PA account every day is $2,000 a month. And he can withdraw that whenever he wants. It's all his. After you make $25,000 per account, then Apex takes a portion. Remember, the Apex sale ends today. These are all PA accounts. All PA accounts for Down Bad Trader. $300 to $800 on all of his accounts. Nice job. Is YM in a trade? No, YM is not in a trade. YM is not in a trade. I'm not in any trades right now except for visual. That's the only trade I'm in. You guys see that magic line short? Like, that was really nice too. People were asking me about that on the student call today. Magic line is a algo, but it's also an indicator for my premium members. Do you see the short here at 9 a.m. under that line? Really nice. That was at 17,002, like 25, and it dropped to 165. So, I don't know, 60 points or so on that. All right, let's put this back up. All right, visual is still in this long green $200. So cute. 275 on visual. Again, if anything's worth joining premium, it's visual. Like this made, let's talk about what visual made this week and last week. So this week, visual has made $4,320. Last week, visual made $7,655. The week before, visual made $80. So it had that was also a holiday week. It had a $400 red day, a $200 red day, and then a $700 green day. I don't want anything. Thanks for asking, Andon. There is a crazy report at 10 a.m. that could be part of this. So we'll see what happens there. I keep forgetting to call visual Vizzy. I think I have this up on my other one. I gotta open it. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. I go live every day. Every day. Which one was this? Oh, that new. I am in this long on visual. I don't know which one has it on there, though. $430. Nice. I have it on one of my Apex evals. $445. $475. Let's go. Busy. And I'm going to keep my trail kind of close only because we're back above 17,200, though. I like this. Only because I don't want to hit the drawdown with, you know, even though this is a winning trade, they count like every dollar that goes
Order canceled
in your positive favor. So I moved that up.
Order submitted.
And I'm out of that trade now. But it's still
Order
on
submitted.
fully hands-free here. On a cruise next week, so the blackjack table will determine Vegas or not. Jody! You better know how to count some cards, okay? That's all I'm going to say. $450 on this Vizzy Long. Let's go. Let's go.
Target filled.
Uh-oh, it's crawling down. Well, guaranteed green on this anyway. Target filled on something. Oh, is that? Oh, that might be on my other VPS. Hold on, let me put that on mute because it's going to confuse me. Ooh, that's on the new. That's on the new. That's on this one. I love, you know, Jen made this picture of me. It doesn't really look like me, but I love it. Like, my lips are not that big. At first, she had blue eyes. I was like, my eyes are definitely not blue. Well, she had said that. She said, I don't think your eyes are blue. I was like, no, they're brown. All right, visual almost hit that trail here. You see that? It was as green as like 500, and that's what I took on my Apex eval, again, because I don't want this extra 300 a drawdown. Yeah, Jen does a good job. And like the wires in the throw. Because she's a robot making lots of money. The eyebrows and eyelashes are on point. The nose could be a little bigger, and the lips need to be smaller. Unless I go to my doctor and then get them that big. That's a no.
Target filled.
Oh, YM hit target. What are we calling YM? Like something else? I don't even know. YM range hit target on this short. All right, so now we are 4 for 4 on the day on standard algorithms. 4 for 4 on the day. Let's go back to Vizzy. Vizzy is still in a tradey trade. If you want more information on the algorithms, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. So see, I got out in this area. If it goes higher, then obviously I got out too soon. But again, I'm in an eval, and it's a 25K eval. I only need 1,500. So I just made 500 on that trade. If I make another $500 trade, or if I just stop, and then on Monday I have a $500 trade, and Tuesday, then I'll pass by Tuesday, which is, 3 days, which is nothing. Yeah, that makes sense, Van. Good idea. Yeah, I don't know what we're calling YM. So NQ night is 1 for 1. ES night is 1 for 1. YM range is 1 for 1. ES early is 1 for 1. 4 for 4 on the day on the standard algorithms. On the premium algorithms, we are 1, 2, 3, well, more than that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for 8 so far on the premium algorithms. Guaranteed green on this Vizzy trade, so I can include this as one of the wins, even though it hasn't stopped yet, because this is the stop loss and it's above the entry, so it's a guaranteed green trade. Ooh, YM should be tea. I love tea. I need to drink more of my tea. Anyway, the snow is coming down and it's not stopping, and I'm not a fan. I'm just not a fan. I really only want snow if I'm deliberately going somewhere that needs to have snow. Ooh, I love Jody. I love YM Young Money. I like that too. I like that. We don't see waves really trade much anymore because a lot of the setups are either overnight or later in the day. I was just thinking about that, like out loud in my head. Well, in my head, and then I said it out loud, which is probably confusing for you guys because you're probably like, what is she even talking about? Best YouTuber said the same thing. I like it. Is it Jiffy or Giffy? I think it's Jiffy. I don't know. I never said it right before, and then people would always say it was Jiffy with a J. Like, that's me. I can vouch for Vizzy. Yes. Vizzy is our love. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you're on YouTube. If you're on TikTok, please tap that screen. Send some likes. I go live every day for you guys because, listen, I could still be in bed watching TikToks while the snow comes down, okay? All of this is going to be done for me regardless if I'm here or not. I'm traveling on Sunday. Obviously, we don't have any trades on Sunday, but I'm traveling on Sunday, so if the trades...
Order canceled.
All right, so it got out to there. Vizzy did. And now we are moving a bit lower. That's going to have to be redone. One second. Let's see if that works. All right, cool. Is this one different?
Order submitted.
Did I? change it? Oh, I changed the time to 9:30. I think I have this one still at 9. Because I had 2 losses, since 9. That's why it should be 9:30. Well, I'll have to fix that on my other VPS later. All right, moving back down a bit.
Target filled.
Target filled. Oh, NQ early. Let's go. Let's go, NQ early. I need to get this out of the way. Get out of here. Get out of here. NQ early. Look, use the Jiffy. Try the Jiffy. I added one of the egg GIFs. All right. Standard algos are 1, 2, 3, 4. Say it with me. 5 for 5 so far on the day. 5 for 5. We are up over $1,100 on the week. Where did we get to on that? 70. Still kind of hanging out. Remember, big report in 9 minutes. Taco time. Big report in 9 minutes. Can you imagine if you were running premium and standard algorithms? You're 14 for 14 on the day. People are posting their results. Dell, nice job. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $1,200 for Dell. Dana, nice little Friday. Have a great weekend, everyone. You too, Dana. Be safe out there if it's snowing. Down bad. Again, we showed this earlier. Glenn, ES Night Premium, NQ Night Range. Adam says, putting the kids to bed tonight. I'm $700 away from my first PA. Nice job, Adam. Well, Adam, you should be a lot closer now that the standard algorithms are 5 for 5 so far. Vizzy back in the fight. Let's see. Vizzy's back in it. Green $100, $125 on this long. So Vizzy is 1 for 1 so far today. Good job. I like that. Well, no. You're just seeing that on that chart, which is not accurate. All right, Jimmy Hood going to work, loving it. Every day he goes to work with a whole bunch of green on his screen. green, bang, 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 bang. Oh, I forgot to ask, how is Ryan doing? These algos are no joke. Jeremy, say it again for the people in the back. Say it again for the people in the back. Gotta bust a move when you see an opportunity. Yes, William. 6, 7, 8. Adrian Wood, night algos and M&Q early so far. I love it. We love it for you. Look at your PAs. $400 on your PAs. Building up those evals. Build those cushions. Eggs, apples, and tea. Hee hee. Laneith, that's really cute. I love that. All right, we're still in this visual long. $230. I'm too busy looking at everybody's winnings. Vizzy is in this $300 long. This is exactly what happened last Friday. It had 2 really nice opening trades, and then it had a few losers afterwards. So remember, if you're running Vizzy and you have committed yourself to 100% hands-on, then you need to be hands-on and decide when you've made enough and that you're kind of good for the day. Guaranteed green on Vizzy now, $400. The trail is moving up. But if it's a situation where you want to be 100% hands-off, then you just need to be 100% hands-off. Moving the trail actually isn't the best idea, because what happens is a new trade will just start while this trade is essentially still happening. So if I don't touch this and I let it do its thing, then it will work appropriately. If I want to be done when this trade is over, I could just turn off the algorithm before another trade starts. Make sure you get rid of that order that possibly might be on your chart. But if you move the trail up, this is something I noticed. YM on zones hit target down here at the bottom. But I've noticed that if you move your trail up and get out of the trade now, it will simply just get you in sometime sooner than what normally would happen. So it's either best to say, I'm done for the day, you close out the entire algo of visual, and you take your money and you're done. Or you just let it run and don't touch it, essentially. We were talking about that in the premium group yesterday. So if you are in premium and you missed that conversation, head over and scroll up to our conversation yesterday. It was a little thread. And again, this is on one mini and the risk is $200. So even if you're trying to pass an eval, this could work for you because it's a $200 loss. And you could say, hey, if I have 2 losses and I'm red $400, I'm just going to turn it off for the day. Or if I make, like I'm saying, the first one was green 500 or 400 or something like that. And then this one is green 350. You could just be done for the day now. You made your $500 and you're done for the day. And then move on to tomorrow. Or you could just let it run 100% hands-free because it's a killer. And it's made $4,520 so far this week. $4,440 so far this week, and not including, obviously, this trade. So if you want more information about the premium setups, please message Amy. If you're already in the group, message Amy. If you're not, please just email us, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Nice job, Jen. Joe D. Listen, we're going to go back to a few of these. Joe D, all algos. $300, $600, $700, $800, $900 for Joe D. That's going to be his blackjack money on his cruise next week. Lenith, I love your post. It's so funny. Just Jen. We love Jen. She is our girl. You go, girl. Where's Laura at? Is Laura? I saw Laura earlier today. All right, it's 9:57. That report is coming out shortly, so let's be aware of that. I'm blooping as fast as I can. K Lavender, great Green Friday as usual. Continue to move slow and steady. BoldBot for the win. We love that for K Lavender. 4, 7, 10, 11, 14, 16, 18, 2,000. $2,000 and like $300. Nice job. Moonshine, top 4 are evals, the rest are PAs. Shutting it down. See you all next week. Michael, oh my God, all these posts are coming in. I can't handle it. These are evals. The rest he said are all PAs. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 14, 15, 16, 17, $1,700 in PA cash account. Remember, today's the last day for the 80% off plus the 1-day eval opportunity on Apex. Go to apextraderfunding.com. If you want more info, just email me. Look at Michael. This is awesome week, Michael. This is Michael. He has been in my group less than a year. His year comes up in February, and he is killing it. All right, so we got taken out of that right around break even on visual. Again, you could have closed it out and been done for the day if you wanted to, but if you're doing 100% hands-free like this is, then this is what it looks like. Good job.
Submitted.
Yeah, scroll up, Evan. And let's try to keep these conversations as a thread. Since 2023, ES Night Zones has only had one loss. One loss since June of 2023. And if you take 2 contracts, you are making around $3,000 per month on that one nightly setup. Oh, look at this run. We would have been in that if it didn't hit our break even here right before the report. The report is running the price. Oh, no. All right, let me tag him here. Evan, I'm tagging you now. Just scroll up to last night at 6:30 p.m. It was there. We are moving and grooving. Anything else running? Nothing else is in a trade right now. Anything close to being in a trade? NQ early is close to being in a trade. Let's go. I'm here for it. Ooh, look at that level. Look at that level. All right, NQ early might bring it back down to reality. Magic line. Oh my gosh.
Order
Magic
submitted.
line. Order submitted. Visuals in another long. But damn. I wonder if I should get in this. Because that's the report setup, and then it moves back and it's like, oh, here we go. $150 on this visual long. Let's go, let's go. Party time. Look at you. No, I'm not throwing up at that. Listen, who are we cheering for this weekend? We're cheering for the Ravens. We're cheering for Green Bay. I would love for the Super Bowl to be Green Bay versus the Ravens. I don't want to play the 49ers again because, whatever. We played them last time we won, and I want to beat someone new. Yes, good reminder about the cache. Every weekend, you guys should be clearing out your cache, fully shutting down NinjaTrader, and also at least once a month or at least once a quarter, if not once a month, saving a backup file of everything. So you go up to tools, you go to backup file, I believe it is. Tools, export, and then backup file. And you can create a backup file as a PDF. And then if you ever lose your stuff, you would just import the file into NinjaTrader and it would have everything you had before. 100% a Ravens fan. Yes. The Ravens. And it's crazy because one of my members, we were honestly talking about getting tickets for the Super Bowl this year. It's like really expensive. So I decided not to. James, make sure we're responding.
Order canceled.
I never do my phone to watch things while I work. I just can't set up. You can enable them from your phone. Yeah, so you can watch them on your phone and you can enable them on your phone. But Visual had a $200 loss there. So Visual's right around break even on the day.
Order
Ooh,
submitted.
here goes that move though. It's kind of catching it from the back end of this. Let's see if NQ early wants to take a trade. It's trying to figure out what it wants to do from this report. So clearly we ran up, pulled back, trying to see if we can stay over here. We do have a level at 32. Are my eyes playing tricks on me? Sometimes it's watching aliens on my laptop. 6K for the nosebleeds. When I looked it up, I was going to do a package where it includes a 2-night stay, nosebleed seats, a pre-NFL party the day before and the day of, and I think it was like $12,000 a seat. And then you still have to get your flight, and then if you wanted to upgrade your seat to like the next area below, it was like another $3,000 or something crazy. So I was like, eh. And then the reason why I didn't move forward on it, like a really big reason besides the price, was because I didn't know, and I still don't know if the Ravens are going to be in it. I don't want to go to a Super Bowl just because it's in Las Vegas if it's the freaking Kansas City Chiefs and the 49ers. I give no shits about those teams. You know what I mean? So I would only be looking to go if I knew for sure the Ravens were going to be in it. That's the only way. I really don't care about any other team, especially not that much for that price.
Order submitted.
All right. So we are what, like 7 for 7 so far on the day or something like that? Let's see. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for 9 on the premium algorithms. Actually, now 9 for 10 because Visual had one $200 loss. And then on the standard algorithms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 5 on the standard algorithms today. So another 100% week. This whole week on standard algos have been 100%. Very similar to the last few. Oil on London is green $550 on this run that Irma just posted. For one mini, $550. Ravens, baby. Ricky knows what's up. Ricky and I were at the same game this year at the season opener. I was like, I'm going to wave to you. That's the only game I've been to this year. But yeah, it's a lot of fun. But I'm not a fan of cold weather, so because I actually thought about buying like a season package. But no, let's be honest. I hate cold weather. I hate when it's raining. And even if I'm on the club level, like it's not like, so what? I'm going to go inside the club level and then just hang out there and watch it on the TV when I could just be at home watching it on the TV. Silver is in a trade. I'm not going to the game tomorrow because it's too cold and disgusting. I will be watching it from home. Like, and I know people say it's part of the experience. That's not an experience I like to have. Yeah, I would much rather watch at home or go with a few friends to like a bar or a pub that has like great TVs and great camaraderie or whatever. Oh yeah, I like the Lions too. I really like the Texans, but I can't cheer for the Texans now that we're playing them, obviously. I really wanted to play Pittsburgh, but Pittsburgh sucks. He said go Texans. I really do like the Texans, but I can't cheer for them. I said fuck the Chiefs. All right, NQ Early staying out of this. That is great. Let's see if we get another one here. Magic line would have kept you also in check because it went back to the magic line, but it's still under it. So let's get our move. Let's let me post in the student chat. I do like CJ though. Yeah. There's no way Texans will win in Baltimore. Baltimore is one, so obviously it's not like the hardest stadium to play in, but I think they say it's like one of the top 5 or something. If I'm wrong, let me know. But I think I'd heard that before. I know, but I have to cheer for my hometown. Yeah, you should. For sure. I would too. And if not, that's okay too. Listen, Visual is red $200 right now. No one should even be blinking an eye because it's up $4,000 on the week. So you have to take the wins with the losses. 49ers and Ravens Super Bowl. I don't want to play the 49ers again. I wouldn't care, but I would rather play Green Bay. Who is Green Bay playing this weekend? Let's go. I'm here for it. I really hope Lamar wins SB so people can stop hating on him. What's SB? Oh, Super Bowl. Listen, but, okay, I'm a Ravens fan. I'm a Raven. Oh, Green Bay plays the 49ers. Okay, so we'll see. We'll see. But obviously I'm a Ravens fan, and I love Lamar the first few years. Last year he fucking sucked ass. Like he was sick all of the time. Like why? And then he asked for more money this year. Like my brother and I were like, no, don't give him the money. Like F that. Like that's so greedy. Like he had COVID like 4 times last year, and I was like, oh my god, this guy. So yeah, I didn't think he was worth it after last year either, but clearly he stepped up to the plate. We are in a short on NQ early. Let's go. We need this drop. We're going to go down to 68 or 50. Let's go. Let's go. Dallas was a winning team too. They are
Target filled.
Target filled. Target filled. Ravens versus the Chiefs or Bills AFC Championship will be lit. Ugh, I hate playing the Chiefs. I don't. Everyone might not be filled here because I am really right at that bottom wick. So don't freak out if you haven't been filled yet. This happens. This happens. We all feel the same about Lamar. You're not wrong. Like, it has nothing to do with him personally. Like, listen, but after you had the year that you had last year where you were out all the time, like, how are you asking for more money? He got it. So clearly he knows what he's doing. He got the money. But I'm really happy to see that he stepped up to the plate and did well.
Order submitted.
All right, so hit on eggs. Some people might still be in this eggs trade. That is, his body of work is what he is based off of. Right, so like all of it, not just last year. Is that what you're saying? Student call hit twice. It's a little early, but yeah. If you did it, like, if you were paying attention to 68, like I was mistakenly at the beginning, then yeah. Yeah, so that makes sense. Pete said I had to get it. Which night bot has done well since June? It's a premium bot. It's ES Night Zones. It is so good. It's only had 1 loss since June of 2023. And it's made, if you take 2 contracts, it's made $3,000 per month just on that one setup. If you took 1 contract, then obviously half of that, so $1,500 per month just on that one setup. And the risk is only $600. So if you ran that on 20 Apex accounts, 10 Apex accounts, that's insane money. That's $15,000 to $30,000 per month. And you're risking $600. All right, let's come back down here. I'm ready to come back down. Let's come back down. We met Zay Flowers and he was eating in our area. He's a really nice dude. Oh, that's so cool. One thing I will never be is like, and I'm not knocking people that are, is a like hyper fan. Okay, so I don't know. Who could you even choose that I think is like so cool? I don't know. Definitely not Taylor Swift. But anyway, like if I saw... I was going to use like Kim Kardashian as example, but it's not that either. Like, if I I remember one time when I was younger, I ran into like Jerry Springer at the airport. And I was like, oh, cool. But I'm not someone, like people will start crying when they see someone that's quote unquote famous. And I'm like, what? Like, what's happening? But I don't even like care. Even if I would just be like, oh, cool. Like, people will interrupt someone's dinner to get an autograph or to take a picture with them. Like, I would never have the audacity to do that. I feel like it's rude. I feel like it's obnoxious. I will cry when I see you in Vegas. Please don't. I'm going to have to ask you to leave the room if you do that. I just don't understand. like people are really basing their whole life around someone they don't even know. Like, you don't even know Taylor Swift, but you like watch her movie and you're like crying because of how much you love her. And I'm like, what? Yes, you are right, Christopher. It is 62, not 68. I mistakenly thought 68 originally. You are right. But, so I took it just the first time at 68 because I thought it was 68 instead of 62. But I did not take it the second time. It's like seeing the Beatles. Lauren, make NQ behave. I already hit. It knows I already hit. It doesn't care. I'm going to whisper sweet nothings in her ear so she comes back down. Silver on pink is green, $500. Brady said Lamar is worth his contract. Deshaun is not. I don't even know who Deshaun is. I ran into Michael Jordan and Bernie Bickerstaff on the streets of Charlotte once. Just said, what's up? Right. Like, hi. You're cool. Maybe like a little high five. Like, but I'm not interrupting your dinner with your family to take a picture. All right, NQ needs to come back down for many reasons. Ooh, is it? Which one was that, though? Oh, we're in a $400 visual long. Oh, shit. There are contradicting things happening here. So some people are still in that NQ early. Premium people are in this NQ long. There's a lot of emotions. But we're guaranteed green on visual anyway. So if it comes back down for our egg people, we're okay with that. Yes. Ooh, $750. Fuck yeah. Because I took multiple contracts. Did you get that? What, not anymore? I just checked my other VPS. I'm about to pass some of these evals, y'all. This one's $1,520 on 123. I gotta turn this off. Ooh, that was on the new. The new made me $1,520. That's a crazy one that I have here. This is the crazy one, but I have it off on this one. Damn. All right, there's a lot happening. I apologize. Visuals in a long. Some people are still in the NQ early short. So we got to figure that out. Remember, and this is something maybe I should post about now so people aren't confused and la-di-da-di. Hold on, let me post this in the group so people know. Make sure you are not having any potential swap issues with NinjaTrader. I'm hoping this will just go back down because that is what happened last week and people were getting like, you jumped out of silver at $400. Nice. I'm going to post this. I posted it in announcements. I'm also posting it in chat. Please go read it. Deshaun got $230 million. What the hell? Sometimes I am flabbergasted by the money. Like, I get it, but like, what are you doing with that? $510 on visual here on the long of visual. Again, visual before this trade was red, $200, and Evan was crying in his lap. Just kidding, Evan. Maybe you were just crying in your hands. But this is what I mean. Either you trust it 100% or you take your money and run when it's given to you. Let's drop. Let's go back under 200 and fill those egg people because we're guaranteed green on this visual one anyway. Y'all. I gotta show you what's happening over here. I'm in a trade. What is this one? Oh, this is the visual one. So I got these evals, and I just kind of like went a little ham. $750. I'm already halfway to my goal on 5 of those accounts. One of the accounts I hit. And again, Apex is doing a 1-day evaluation pass. So if you buy the account by today, whenever you hit the profit goal, say it's 1 day, say it's 2 days, say it's 3 days, you will have a PA at the end of that day. William is $350 from a new PA. Very nice. Let's see if we can kind of drift it back down here. I don't know if it's going to. Visuals in the long. Listen, I'm cheering for everyone here. I don't have, like, well, I'm in the visual long, but I don't really care about my eval. Like, if I bust my, like, or if, you know, if it pulls back, whatever, I'm not worried about that. I care more about the majority winning than me winning. Obviously, because people will always ask me, like, oh, why are you leasing your algo? You could just use it yourself. Like, yeah, I could use it and other people can use it and benefit from it. So why would I not? Ooh, I may be at, like, okay, cool. I wonder if I should turn this one off. Did I pass any of these? Account balance. What do I need to be at? 26,500. Where's 123? That might have been one of the ones from yesterday. All right, pulling back here. Back to that 200 again, and not touching the visual. All right, visual got out. All right, let's drop. Let's drop. Let's drop. Let's drop. Let's drop. Let's drop. Here we go. Where's Jared? We love you, NQ. And remember, when we're cheering on NQ, when you're going down, you don't say push. Push to me means up. We want to, like, sit on it. You want to stomp on it. You want to hit it with a hammer. Let's go, NQ. Come on. You're under 200. That makes me happy. Austin, I can't tell you what to do, but you should never get in the way of the algorithms. I never touch the algorithms. It does what it does. I am happy with the result either way, but this is a good sign. Let's move back down. Stay under 200. Let's break. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Down, 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 down. Let's go, let's go. Break this, yes. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We want to go back down to 50. The old TV commercials, set it and forget it. Yeah, I used to say that. Well, sometimes I still do say it, but yes. Jen is stopping. Jen found the GIF, and now she's just posting. Crazy. Hey, Peter, because you already hit it. Some are still in NQ early. Some are still in NQ early, so we need to cheer. Go back down. Go back down. Drop, 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 drop. Come on, NQ. Come on. Come down here. Come on. You can do it. Being angry. Yay. Oh, my crate. Well, I think I got... Mine was messed up. I got like 1,500. I have 2 targets. I think. So that probably helped on one of those runs. Yeah, Peter, that's what it is. So it's okay, but it's okay because we're going to come down. Come on down, and Q, come on down. It's 10:24. I'll stay on until we drop and get this moved down. No, come on down, NQ.
Order submitted.
This candle was so big. Come on, NQ. Down. Back under 200.
Order submitted.
There we go. Back under 200. Come on. Yeah. It's fine, Jared. Don't need a picture. I have a fast weekend. Have a great weekend. Thanks, Lauren. Sure thing. Adrian? Sure thing. Visual's in another long. So visual's back to break even if you are not touching it at all. Visual is break even on the day. It's worth like $20. But again, it's green. 4,300 on the week. I wonder if Evan heard me. I wonder if Evan heard me. Let's get back under 200. Come on, NQ. Come on down. It's 10:26. The Eastern European markets are going to be closing soon. Hit it with a hammer, right? Hit it with a hammer. Just come on down, NQ. You haven't gotten to the area we want you to get to anyway, so I need you to come back down. Jen, you have to keep stomping. There we go. Come on. Under 200. Under 200. Remember, you can go to new and do the order ticket if you want, so you can see the numbers in a bigger fashion. If it's hard for you to see the right side, sometimes I do this. Let's get under 200. Come on. There you go. Down, down, down. Down, down. Yeah, after lunch, down bad. Visual is $200 on this long. I gotta keep track what's going over here on these evals. This 123 must have been... Oh, you know what? I don't think it updates until after. Or maybe it does. 26,000. What? I need 26,500. All of them are like almost 26,000. So I just need another 500. Either today or real. Today or Monday. We're stomping, Dan. We are stomping. The market's real tight here. Like, if you look at this side, it is so tight. I'm going to go back to my 20-minute chart. There's nothing really happening. Look, red, green. It's not sure yet, so we could easily come back down. That's what I want for you guys. But again, when you trade NQ early, which is the biggest risk setup that is on the standard plan, you have to understand the risk. And also a full loss, like if you could move your stop loss to the top of this blue box at 21, because regardless, if this candle closes over the blue box, it's going to close you out regardless up here. But if it doesn't and it comes back down, then obviously like you could just let it do its thing. But and that would avoid some of the swapping issues that some people had with Apex. So if you want to move your stop loss here to 21, that's up to you. Click, drag, click. It's just the price is still kind of figuring out what it wants to do. If we get back under 200, it's good, but there's also a level here at 17, so let's see if we can stay under it. Visual still in this long. I'm going to stay on until essentially this NQ early is finished. So hopefully we can drop here. I'm sorry, visual people. You've made $4,000 this week. I'm going to have to cheer for the drop. Do you guys see this resistance, my students? What chart was I just looking for? Oh, no, I was looking for the ticket. I think I closed it out. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We're back under 200. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You can do it, NQ. Drop, drop, drop. 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 There we go. There we go. Drop. The Eastern European markets just closed. Let's see if we can get a drop off of this. Drop, 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 drop. Lots of support, obviously, here at 200, and then down in like the 80s. Let's drop. Let's drop. We got to break 200, and then we got to break the 80s. Let's go. We can do it. Come on, NQ. Drop, drop, drop. 80s, and then like the 75 is a hard one. Drop, 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 drop. Drop, drop. Just plummet. Just drop. You got it. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop. I can't find the GIF. You do backslash. If you manually move either visual target or stop loss and it doesn't hit either, will the stop loss move again and trail for you? Yes, it will move again and trail for you. Yes, Brady. The trail will still be active. We need to break this 200. I'm trying to help. You're doing a good job, Dan. Keep stomping. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Come on, NQ. You can come down. Yes, put your link, Irma. Drop, 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 drop. 97. Come on, come on. We got to get back in the 80s. We got to get break 88. Come on, you can do it. Come on, NQ. Come on. Come on down. You can do it. We believe in you. We believe in you, NQ. Come on down. Come on down. Come on. NQ. Just come down. Just come down. Come on. Come on. If you come all the way down to 50, we can go get ice cream. Okay? Do you want to get ice cream? It really is, Jeremy. It really is. Peter, this is so... That's probably your child. It's not mine. Mine catches the balls. Come on. I think you want some ice cream. You can have 2 toppings. You can have 2 toppings if you drop to 50. Okay? Come on. And you can wear your pajamas to the ice cream store. My sister-in-law's from New Jersey. She says Jimmy's. And I'm from the South, and I say sprinkles. We used to say shots in Connecticut, which is really weird. Like, I came to Maryland, I was like, can I have rainbow shots? And they were like, what? Now I say sprinkles. I've been here most of my life. So, but yeah, we used to say shots. I don't know why. I don't get the Jimmy's, but I've definitely heard people say it before. And also, I can't stand that someone ruined my love for sprinkles by telling me the chocolate ones are the same flavor as the rainbow ones, because it's not true. Okay, my mind loves the rainbow sprinkles, and the chocolate ones taste like chocolate, and I'm not going to let that man cloud my judgment with what he wants to say. All right, I don't know. This 17 is such a wall. The visual is in a $265 long. Another great day. Thanks, Lauren and team. Sure. Slowly learning about the different settings and adding more accounts. Nice job. Texas Sloth. Ash. I think these are like all PAs now. Because he posted. So do you call them Jimmy's or sprinkles? Yeah, Jen, what do you call? You call them sprinkles? I call them sprinkles. Oh, 17 did it again. Going back down. Elevator down. Elevator down. Yeah. Yeah. Nice job, Irma. Irma has her, she just posted it in announcements. Make sure you click her link so she can get some credit, because it's the same price anyway for you, so you might as well let Irma get some credit for your signups. Good idea. I like that. All right, we're still figuring this out. Question: when I do what? I don't know what you're talking about. I don't think it is. Peter, what are you smoking? I want to spend time with Vizzy too. Yeah, Al, no power internet yesterday meant I didn't get to run anything. I was hoping to spend some quality time with Vizzy. Sweet V. Poppycock, sprinkles all taste the same. Get out of here! Who is saying that shit? Block that person, Jennifer. I have no idea who he is talking that nonsense about sprinkles. Let's go. Let's drop. Okay, this 17 is not breaking anytime soon. He's such a party ruiner. Like, he's one of those people when you're having a real good time and then they just want to, like, ruin it by saying something stupid. Oh, no, you're enjoying your ice cream with your rainbow sprinkles? Well, do you know that sprinkles actually don't taste like anything and they all taste the same? Get out of here. Get out of here, Christopher. Also, next week, everything will be as normal. Jen, I'll let you know about Monday or Tuesday about the live. It might be ready. NQ might be ready. The ones without the early might have a hard time here. R1 for president. If you're still in NQ early, please keep an eye on the swap issues. Guaranteed green on Vizzy. So, Evan, we can be happy for everyone here because you're guaranteed green on this trade anyway. Come on, let's drop. Let's drop, let's drop. I gotta check my other stuff. I'm trying. Oh yeah, no, I forgot it says it here. So yeah, I just need like 500 more on 1, 2 accounts, and then I need 1,000 more on 1, 2, 3 accounts. Oh wait, no, hold on, I might be better. There's net liquidation 26,000. Oh, because I'm in the $400 trade right now, that's why. So this one might only be $500 away. Cool. After this trade. We'll see what happens. It could just run and then I'll hit. It's so true, Nick. Until it wasn't. Yeah. It always will until it doesn't. Does that make sense? All right. So if you're in the NQ early, you're probably going... If you're still in the NQ early, you're probably going to get stopped after this candle in a few minutes, so just be aware of that. We do have a weekly level here at 33. Visual is still in the long. Green, $420. Oh, turn it back down. We're hitting the magic line here. Magic line at 27. All right, can we get back under 17? Yeah, I don't know. It's using 17 as support now. Very typical. Does that make sense? Get a decent keyboard. No, I got this keyboard on purpose. XT500TT. Cool. I can't say what I want to say because I'll get in trouble. I actually love my keyboard. I got it on purpose because I like being clicky and loud. Yeah, exactly. Tell him, Dan. Tell that random man on a motorcycle. It's probably... Oh, it's a dirt bike. He's probably like 12. At first I thought he was like a grown man on a motorcycle. Actually, he might be a grown man on a dirt bike. I don't know. If I don't have anything nice to say, I'm just not going to say anything. Hiccups are a bonus too. Exactly. Clickety-clack and hiccups. There are 74 people in the spreadsheet right now. I'm going to have to remind people to get out of it when they're not using it because it's using a lot of caliber of data, it says. Y'all. Let me remind folks in the group. Please exit the spreadsheet once you're done using it. So if you want to go check a setting or you want to check a result or whatever, he said this is like watching the Rams try to score a point. So, go into the spreadsheet when you need to, get your settings, get your setups, find out how something has done today, and then get out of it, especially every single night, because you're not going to see the updates if you are constantly in it and you never get out of it. I got a thing that says the sheet is going to be slow. It's like slow down. All right, let's see about 17. Nice job, James. My fingers are getting tired. 12,000 likes. You guys are awesome. 17 still holding. All right, can we break 17 and move lower? Are you guys still in this NQ early? Are you guys still in this NQ early? I'm assuming yes. Okay, cool. All right, we got to break 17. I'm still on one account. Missed it by one tick. Ah, that's annoying. I don't know if we're going to get it here. It's really holding that support at 17. We'll have to see. I'm not doing anything today, or else I would have already gotten off of here. Everyone is in the spreadsheet instead of being in the trade. Listen, get out of the spreadsheet, okay? Make sure you hit that thumbs up on YouTube. Yeah, it seems like we're just going to keep moving up. So folks that are in the NQ early, there is a level here at 32. Oh, you should have been stopped, actually. You should have been stopped on the last candle. Everyone should have been stopped 3 minutes ago. So, hold on. My message was wrong. You guys should have been out of this. Everyone should be out of that NQ early 3 minutes ago at 26. If you're not, you need to get out of that. Because it closed outside of the box. You should not be in a third trade because the time is over. See, that's the swapping stuff, Dennis. All right, so this is done. I'm going to wrap it up here. So we're still in the visual long. But the thing is, what I was saying is, you should already be out of the trade. NQ early, everyone should be out. You should have been out at 10:45. Well, they're both around, like this candle. You should have been stopped on this candle. I can post a picture in the group and explain. Because, well, I wonder if it's because of the time. No, you should have been stopped at 26. All right, I'm going to post this in the group. I'm going to get off the live. It happens. We just have to take it for what it is. I hit target down here. It was right at the tip. I know some of you hit, some of you did not. Let's understand that, it happens to me too. Like sometimes I hit, sometimes I don't. So it all kind of goes around. I also have like a really fast whatever thing it's called. But yeah. All right. Have a great day. Visual is still running. Later is still up later. ES and NQ. So we'll see what happens with those. And, we're dropping now. Do you see this? Well, we're still above 200, but